So now that we have the circuit on the ventilator all ready to go, we're going to want to attach it to the wall oxygen source, which I believe at Southwest you'll have to remove your flow meter, and then it has the 3 prongs here that'll just line up with the prongs on the wall connector. But then you're also going to want to make sure your ventilator is plugged into an outlet as well, because you don't want to drain the battery. So now that it's plugged in, you are going to come over here and you're going to hit the on button to turn the ventilator on. Then this is kind of like your menu bar. It does a quick patient flow test. Then it's going to ask you, do you want the same patient, or you use this to scroll through? New patient, same patient. We're going to go with new patient and hit select. You're going to want to scroll through to the 3rd option, which is adult. You hit select. It's going to give you some beautiful default settings, so you shouldn't have to mimic or mess with those too much unless a blood gas or the current symptoms or state tells you differently. So here's your breath rate, here's your tidal volume, here's your I time, your oxygen percent, sensitivity, which is just how sensitive is it for the patient to pull and draw a breath. This is the most important button, alarm silence. But this is also going to tell you what alarm is actually triggering. So this is kind of your data information bar. Now to set your peep, we always start at 8. So you'll hit the 8 or the peep, and then you're going to toggle over to 8, and you're going to hit it again. So now you have your peep set at 8. Anytime you'd like to change a setting, you simply hit the button below it and then turn your dial to what direction you'd like to go. Then hit the button again to accept it. So this is telling me my high pressure alarm's going off. That's going to be the patient is coughing, there's maybe some condensation in the filter. That's something you're going to want to adjust with sedation possibly, or suctioning. Then down here, this kind of tells you that whatever's illuminated is what mode it's in. It's in a volume mode and it's an assist control. And again, in order to change those, you would hit the button. You'd have to hit it twice to totally change the mode. Now that illuminates different controls. But again, it's all touch, toggle, touch. Do we need anything else?